So here we got this little thing, and if you are sitting in bed and you hit it, it turns on. And then you'll start hearing a heater. You don't even have to get out of bed. You just press the damn button.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be installing a diesel heater. It's an all-in-one contained unit. It's kind of in pieces right now. I gotta mount that plate to the floor after I put some holes in it, and it's gonna go right back there. And the holes go through the floor. Always nerve-wracking to do, especially after you just built new floors, but let's start this. Alright, so the only issue I really see with this unit is I need to, there's an exhaust and an import or intake port on that on the bottom, and it goes through the floor, and I don't want my floor catching on fire because the exhaust will be hot. That cardboard is there for a reason, I'll explain that later. But basically I gotta line the holes up for that into this plate here and drill them. Yes, they do sell plates, but they're one, either expensive, or two, they're not expensive and you gotta wait like a month and a half for them to show up. So I'm just gonna make my own. That piece was 10 bucks, fairly simple to do. So this cardboard that's on there is to make basically a template, and basically to do this, it's an old gasket making trick. You put the cardboard there and then you tap with the hammer. And after you tap with the hammer, it will give you the spacing of the holes and the size of the holes. So if you ever need to make gaskets, ball peen hammers work better, but that's an old school trick. But alright, so on a real note, like, if you got the opportunity to clean up as you go, if you got a place to store all your lumber and stuff, put it in that storage place and then bring it in as you need it. I don't have that opportunity, and it is driving me nuts. So we're gonna clamp down the little muffler.
Current temperature. The second time you press it, it's the temperature you want. So it's the big one.
Doing something.
Degree side. As you see there, that's probably what's less than current. Press the up button, and I'll press it to 30 degrees. So it's 1 degree above what it is now. Drop it again. So we're ready to go button. By the way, you can adjust the temperature of the up and down buttons.
It's actually warm. Getting warm at least. I'm gonna make sure that the exhaust and everything's alright out there. Kind of nerve-wracking. Got the carbon dioxide detector there just in case, you know. But yeah, that's hot. That is hot.